I'm doing the unboxing of the IceFox UHD 4K action camera. This should help me get better videos for YouTube than using my phone. But yeah, the kit looks really nice. Got 2 big batteries. This thing is awesome. I've already had it open a little bit, but the camera's already in its waterproof mount, which is going to be used extensively. Boats and my floats. But it's a nice shipping package. Got it from the almighty Amazon, of course. There's all the mounts in there. They're in there. I just didn't want to take them all apart until I got my camera bag back from the shop, but it was under $100. So I love clones and off-brands just because sometimes they're better than the brand name. But I look forward to shooting a bunch of videos with it from all sorts of points of view, including on the bow of my speedboats and my tugboats and my float planes. Yeah, should be awesome. But yeah, 2 big batteries it comes with, rechargeables of course. Pretty nice little package, and in my opinion, this latch system for the release on the back of the case is much better designed than the other ones I've had. But not too bad. We'll see how it works out. I'll try it to get it going today, maybe, if I get a SD card. Okay, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. See you next time.